Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out recipes on the Instacart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the recipes button down below, which is the third option. So here you have a bunch of recommendations, but you can also use the search bar to search for products, stores and recipes as well. If you have a particular recipe in mind, click on it, scroll down, you have a picture attached to the top, you have the ingredients. You can see that the ingredients are available at 10 stores. Here are the ingredients that you can add to your shopping list at the same time while you are reading the instructions. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.